Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the 403 for bin error. Effect 403 for bin error on your Windows computer. Let's fix that guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. NTROL. Open it. Click on large icons and you want to go to network and sharing center. Scroll down, network and sharing center, click on it. Go to connection. If you having anything, you click on it. I'm having Ethernet. And go to properties, click on it. And go to interportical version 4 TCP IP4 v4. Go to properties and use the following DNS address. Click on it and you want to type here 8 8 8 8. Now here you want to type 8 8 4 4. Click OK and close here, close out of here, and go to CMD, search menu and type CMD run as administrator. Click yes. Want to type here ipconfig space slash flushdns ipconfig space slash flushdns. Press enter. Windows IP configuration successfully flashed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type netsh space winsock space reset. Press enter guys. netsh winsock space reset. Successfully reset the Windows winsock catalog. You must restart your computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and go and restart your PC guys. That's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys like it. I hope this tutorial will definitely work for you. Thanks for watching my video.